Let me reiterate, and I assure you that good people of Nigeria that will explore all legal and peaceful options.
Breaking news, my people. Hey, wahala don burst as Peter Obi don't come out. He don't come out and he restricted Tinubu not to be a president of Nigeria. That he won. The vote. The result is fake. They ring that result. That he's not going to take it, and he have to prove it for them. He will prove it for them in the court of law, the criminal court of law in Nigeria. My people, not be smart, no. Oh, so wahala don burst as e dey hot now, my people. That be the breaking news. Since yesterday, happy to be there is this video on. I just watch the track. I will leave on I go watch the full video. Make on see what our future president said, Peter Obi said about Nigeria, about the INEC leader and all the people that insist that ring that election, that result. That is what he's trying to say. And he said, he also tell us that every Nigerian should come down, not to protest yet. He don't want even problems. Make anybody know the protest. Because you know what you want. He wants the election. He wants and he will not tell it. And you have everything to prove that he is the winner. And people are there. Make I just welcome all my people that are watching me. Thank you so much. This is your first time of coming across our luckily, you are highly welcome. Things are happening. Okay, things are happening around the world. What we need is to remain calm, more especially Nigeria celebrities. This is wrong. Mayor and marriage saga. This is why you are not getting elected. So remain calm. I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Hear by yourself what Peter Obi said about the election they just conducted on 25th February 2023 presidential election. So this is what he has to tell us. So stay tuned to the end of the video. This video is not going to be long. It's just a short video. Let's see what he has to tell the Nigerians. Okay, guys. So don't forget to subscribe if you never subscribed before. If you have subscribed and you are my returning old subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in and supporting this channel to move on. God bless you. I love you all massive. May God bless you. So don't forget to drop your opinion in the comment section. What is happening about this ringing of election results that Peter Obi came out before Peter Obi come out and challenge Tinubu and the INEC chairman and all the you know say what I don't pass Gary. So my people are so happy. Stay calm. Do not protest. I don't want people to so property the life of people matters a lot for me. That is why Nigerians what you not need to be their president. So that if you are not a Nigerian, you are trying to be working and the guy is to say something that was calm. Don't protest not what we need is to remain calm and persistent and they have to prove it to Nigerians. And all the government. So stay tuned and watch the Thank you.
Let me reiterate, and I assure you that good people of Nigeria that will explore all legal and peaceful options to reclaim our mandate. We won the election. And we'll prove it to Nigeria.
Obi adro wana yocha. Maka ebi no we protest right now like bro. I get you wana. So I need to comment again. I need to comment because mal to go boy open and no kita jilo what am not. At the end of the day, we will not expect much from them because you're trying to remove
a situation that has been there for years. What we need is to remain calm and persistent in saying this is wrong. We will not get it. We will remain calm. We will remain persistent.
So guys, this is what Nnamdi Kanu was saying. It don't happen again in Nigeria. So that is what it is. See you again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.